Anyway, cheers everyone. Can everybody hear okay? I'm assuming it's audible. Right, I'm going to try a new one. So you've got to write about what you know, so I wrote one. It's about being on a summer holiday and that warm feeling of the sun on your back and the spitting rain in the evening as the tide comes in. Brilliant, better than usual, thank you. So I'm trying to capture that holiday feeling of being really chilled out and the sunshine and walking by the beach and all of that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd write a song about that. Just as a word of warning, there's some bad language in this, and there's a hint of animal cruelty at the end. But the following story is all true. Walking in the sunshine down at St. Ives, hand in hand at the seaside, just taking in the sights. You bought me an ice cream to eat upon the beach. I only taken 2 bites when some bastard seagull stole my magnum off me. Bastard seagulls, I hate bastard seagulls. 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 I won't cry and I won't fret if they all drown in nets. Bastard seagulls, I hate bastard seagulls. That was mature, wasn't it? A man my age should know better. Thank you, well done. Well done us. Yes, so anyway, we're having a lovely day at St. Ives. Donna has bought me a white chocolate magnum, which is the champion, the world champion of all ice creams. And I'm leaning on the fence, looking over the beach, just looking down that way, and I must have had my hand here. I'd literally taken 2 bites of this white chocolate magnum, and all of a sudden I feel my hand tugging, and I'm thinking, what's that? And the next minute I see this bastard seagull flying off, gullet open like that, and the whole ice cream and the spit sticking out the top. Well, I hope the bastard chokes. Anyway, at least I got a song out of it, which I'll probably never ever play again. I might have to delete this video. Anyway, I think that's probably it from me. I could do another one, but I'm getting drunker by the minute. Anyway, I'm glad that there's people in the Fleur at last, and have a good evening everybody, and keep drinking. Bye now.